Hello, everyone. So, a lot of people have asked us regarding the preparation techniques for UGC NET Economics Exam. So, this exam has become a compulsory criteria for admissions in PhD and also for jobs in colleges or universities. So, yes, this paper is very important now. But before moving on to the preparation techniques regarding this exam, you should know that there are two papers, right? Paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 has your general aptitude paper, right? It is very important and it is really easy to score in this paper, right? It has 50 questions. So, yes, if you're thorough with the topics or if you're thorough with the readings which you have, that is more than enough. So just pick one good book for this paper. I would suggest that the book by KVS Madan, Pearson publication, it is a very good book for this, right? So there are 10 chapters. Make sure you read one chapter, including the solving of questions per week. So just devote 1 hour a day for this, complete one chapter in 1 week, and then you're through with this paper. I'm sure of it, right? So by the time the exam comes, at least you would have prepared twice for this. So, yes, don't take this paper lightly. Practice a lot many questions for this. For paper 2, right, it is very important to not just go in for reading books, but yes, to get a good study material where you will get everything related to the exam at one place. You don't have to rush through things and waste your time, right? That is the purpose of a study material. So Economics Harbour provides really good study material and it is well acclaimed, right? So go for this one. And also, if you we always encourage our students to read a text first, any book which you have followed in your post graduation studies. So whatever books, for example, you've followed for microeconomics, right, check out the topic from the study material, read the text, read the text first, and then read the study material, right? Prepare notes, like write, scribble on it, write it down, whatever things you think which are important and which should be known. So do that, right? So use that study material. So by the end of it, right, by the end of your topic, you will be thorough with your concepts, because these days whatever questions are being asked, they focus a lot on your concepts, right? So whatever, like, the books you need to read are for microeconomics, for macroeconomics, international economics, your development economics, right, public finance if available, right, and statistics. For other units or other leftover portion, the study material would suffice, right? And the text is just to give you that confidence that yes, you are good with your preparation, right? It is just to instill that confidence in you, right? So just try getting it. And yes, so by the end of 3 months, give yourself a target of 3 months to complete your preparation. Practice questions. If you like, whenever you're done with, say, unit 1, practice questions for it, right? Unit 2, practice questions. So even our study material has questions given after every unit, right? And if you have any query, if you think that your perception regarding a question is right, then you can always discuss it with us. Second thing is practice. Practice is very important for your preparation. So 1 month prior the examination, you should at least practice 10 full papers, and that too as per UGC timings, right? Same. This will give you, this will make you, or this will accustom you to the UGC timings, and then you won't be lethargic on that day, right? It won't be mentally exhausting. So it is very important to practice 10 full papers, right, for paper 1 as well as paper 2, right, as per the UGC timings. That is very important. And whenever you have any question wrong, if you get any answer wrong, then make sure you that concept read that concept again from the study material, right? Read it. You will not get a wrong answer again. That is very important. It is very crucial for your preparation. So grill yourself. Attempt 10 papers at least, paper 1 and paper 2, right? A lot many people face problems with Indian economy, right? So one thing I would like to tell you is that first, there is no need to read those bulky books. You cannot know it all, right? So no need. A strict a strict no for those bulky books, right? It will waste only your time. That's all. That will only take away a lot of your time, and you don't have time, right? So instead, I would recommend that for Pratyogita Darpan, right, there is an Indian economy edition, right? It is like a 6 monthly Indian economy edition. Just read 10 pages a day and increase your pace in a way that before your examination you have read that book twice. Be a nerd and read those 10 pages a day. Mark your notes, write it down, keep a separate notebook, write down your notes, and that will help you a lot in your final preparation. So make sure you read this book twice before your examination. So this is very important, and I would sincerely request you to please be clear with your concepts, right? You should be very confident about your concepts, because now they question you, okay, if MRS is declining, why is it declining? They will always ask you the whys of every concept. It is not about just knowing the author or knowing any random fact, but it is always now about the whys. And this will, if you know the why, if you question every theory, this will always help you in your interviews as well. And this will help you in relating your concepts, your theory with the practical world, right? So, yes, be very clear with your concepts, right? So, what we provide at Economics Harbour are, we have our online classes, right? They are conducted on Zoom, and it is a session of 3 months. We record those classes, right, so that you can refer them later. Yes, we do provide our study material, and people have claimed that more than 70% of the questions come from that study material directly. 1 month prior the examination, we conduct online mock test series on our website. So as soon as you begin the test for 100 questions, the clock will start. So the online mock test series has 10 tests. So you will get 10 online tests to practice. You will get your score there and then, and the answer key will be sent to your email ID as well. Also, if you have a special request to just understand one topic, or just for clearing your doubts, so we conduct special doubt sessions as well, right? So just get in touch with us if you want to prepare for UGC NET Economics exam in the best possible manner, right? I hope this video helps you, and if you have any query, just feel free to contact us here, right? Take care, everyone. All the best.